The call of Universal Orlando's thrilling rides, the immersive worlds, and the irresistible taste of butterbeer is undeniable. But before you grab your wand and head to Hogwarts, it's important to understand the financial realities of a Universal Orlando vacation. Worry not, this guide delves deeper into the cost considerations, offering a map to navigate your Universal Orlando budget and maximize your vacation experience. Theme park tickets are a major component of your vacation. Prices fluctuate based on factors like travel days, how many days you want to visit the theme parks, and vacation enhancements like being able to visit multiple parks in the same day. If you are visiting Universal Orlando primarily to experience the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, I recommend the Park-to-Park feature for your tickets. The Park-to-Park feature allows you to visit both theme parks in the same day. Wizarding World spans both theme parks, that's Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida, so you'll want the ability to travel between both theme parks, which, by the way, is done via the Hogwarts Express train, also a major attraction. And multi-day passes offer a big discount. The longer you stay, the cheaper your tickets get per day. A one-day ticket is the most expensive. For example, a two-park, two-day park-to-park ticket starts around $312 per person. This works out to be $156 per day. But a two-park, four-day park-to-park ticket starts around $375 per person, or $93.50 per day. Universal does all of its own discounting in-house. As your travel agent, I ensure you get the most value by providing insider advice and watching for any future discounts. For those wanting to maximize their ride time, Universal Orlando offers Express Pass. Express Passes grant priority access to attractions, but come at additional cost, ranging from $100 to $200 per person per day. Consider your patience level for long lines and your pace before taking this option. Personally, I recommend Express Passes if your budget allows for it. This is one area where you get a lot of value for your money because when you're on vacation, time is money. Universal Premier hotels include Express Pass for free when you include theme park tickets as part of your package. It may work out better to book a stay at a Premier hotel than to purchase Express Passes separately. I help clients determine this every day. There are single park and multi-park Express Pass options, plus the option to skip the line once per ride or skip the lines as many times as you want on each ride with Express Pass Unlimited. The Unlimited option isn't much more than the base option. And when you stay at a Premier hotel, you get Express Pass Unlimited for free. You can immerse yourself in the magic with on-site hotels, which offer perks like early park admission, merchandise delivery, and the ability to book a discounted package. Prices vary greatly depending on your chosen hotel tier. Value hotels like Universal's Endless Summer Resort start around $88 per night, while Premier hotels like the Royal Pacific Resort can reach $600 per night or more. The hotel's location and amenities influence the price tag. Universal Orlando has vacation package partners with some nearby hotel chains. These are more budget-friendly options located just outside the parks. Expect rates ranging from $100 to $200 per night. Most are third-party chain hotels, and some even offer a free breakfast. I recommend the Drury Inn & Suites near Universal Orlando because the amenities offered here are even better than some of the Universal hotels. Features like a free breakfast buffet, free transportation to the theme parks, free snacks, and early park admission are all included with your stay. Dining at Universal is similar to any other destination. You're a captive audience, so food and beverages cost more than they would outside of the hotels and theme parks. Universal uses a two-tier system, quick service dining and full service dining. Quick service dining has a lot of theme park favorites like burgers and pizza, but the Wizarding World of Harry Potter has two unique eateries worth exploring: Three Broomsticks and the Leaky Cauldron, both heavy on Harry Potter theming. Expect to spend $15 to $25 per person on quick service entrees. Full service dining allows you to indulge in themed restaurants like Hard Rock Cafe, The Palm Restaurant, Toothsome Chocolate Factory, and NBC Sports Grill. Prepare to spend $25 to $35 per person per meal at Universal's table service restaurants. Plan to budget $5 to $10 per person for snacks and beverages throughout the day. I recommend investing in a Coke Freestyle refillable mug. A single refillable mug is $18, but the more you purchase, the cheaper they get. For example, if you purchase 2 mugs, the price drops to $16 each. You get unlimited free refills throughout the day. To activate the cup on a different day, the cost is $10.99. Souvenirs are one thing people do not sufficiently plan for. They are everywhere, and no one, and I mean no one, will be able to resist the temptation to buy something. Some of the most popular items are the interactive Harry Potter wands that start around $50 each. Butterbeer mugs range in price from $13 to $45, and t-shirts start around $35. Allocate $50 to $100 per person for souvenirs, or adjust based on your willpower. Remember, resisting the allure of the shops in Diagon Alley can be nearly impossible, even if you're not a Harry Potter fan. 2 other essentials that you should consider when budgeting for your Universal Orlando vacation are travel protection and airport transfers. The Universal Orlando Cancel for Any Reason policy allows you the flexibility to cancel your vacation up to 24 hours prior to the originally scheduled flight departure time or hotel check-in time for any reason. Any monies paid will be returned to you except the cost of the published airfare, which will be made available as a credit for future travel. The cost for Universal's Cancel for Any Reason policy is currently $55 per person. Universal Superstar Shuttle service provides dedicated welcome service and transportation between Orlando International Airport and Universal Orlando Resort hotels. The round-trip cost is $39 per adult and $29 per child. So let's take a look at what a popular vacation package looks like based on 3 different hotel categories on a 4-night stay. For these examples, you are purchasing tickets to all 3 Universal theme parks, which includes Volcano Bay Water Park, and you would like to be in the parks for 3 days, and you would like to visit multiple parks on the same day. This would be a 3-park, 3-day park-to-park ticket. Prices are based on 2 adults and 2 children. If you were to stay at a valley resort like Universal's Endless Summer Resort, you may spend around $552 total for the 4 nights. Your 3-park, 3-day park-to-park tickets are $1,588. Superstar Shuttle is $150. Cancel for Any Reason is $220, and for the total package price of $2,510. A Prime Valley resort like Universal's Aventura Hotel may run about $669. Airport transfers on Superstar Shuttle, $150. Travel insurance, $220. And 3-park, 3-day park-to-park tickets for $1,588 for a grand total of $2,627. And staying at a premier resort like the Hard Rock Hotel, figure about $1,555 for the stay. Airport transfers on Superstar, $150. Cancel for Any Reason, $220. And 3-park, 3-day park-to-park tickets, $1,588 for a grand total of $3,513. And remember, Express Pass Unlimited is included for free here. Now, these prices are just estimates to give you some idea, but individual dates and package components will vary in price. Holidays and popular weeks certainly cost more than late summer and early fall. When you book your vacation with me, you get expert insider advice that can save you time and money. There's no additional cost to you. Universal pays me to ensure you have a great vacation. To see more about what I do, visit OrlandoParksGuy.com. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram.